Now, let's talk about next stage arterial air alarm troubleshooting steps. Let's watch the video.
For arterial air, for example, this is connected to the patient. So arterial line starts from the patient, the bread clamp, up to the machine, up to the dialyzer, up to here. That's your arterial line. Venous line is from the dialyzer to the machine. The blue lines going back to the patient. So arterial air. Let's troubleshoot arterial air. Let me trigger arterial air. Okay, I have a check for arterial air. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna reset the machine, mute, stop, and then start. Okay, and then it will go to arterial air recovery underway. The blood pump defaults to 100 ml per minute. I'm just gonna mute the machine, let it run, and I'll wait for the air bubbles to accumulate here. We'll wait. It takes a while, you see. It's not there yet. So you need to be patient. Ayan. Yeah. And then I'll just aspirate slowly. Okay, I think I already got all the air out. So I'm gonna go back to treatment. And then flush.
Okay. So before resetting the alarm, check the patient first. Then carefully inspect the blood lines, the saline line to ensure that there is no air in the system and that all connections are secure. Once you have confirmed that no lines are kinked, all line connections are secure, the saline bag is not empty, reset the machine by pressing the mute, stop, start button, the yellow, green, and red. The machine will reset and display the air recovery underway alarm. It's a yellow alarm. The blood flow rate will automatically default at 100 ml per minute. During this phase, air will travel from the top of the dialyzer, allowing it to be safely aspirated. This process may take a few minutes. Do not press the kidney button immediately. Allow the air to fully rise to the top of the dialyzer first. Once all air has been aspirated and cleared, you may return to the treatment by pressing the kidney button.